We're keeping our focus on the national capital, where the disturbing incident of a stampede has been reported, with 18 people losing their lives and many others being injured following panic and chaos on the platforms of the New Delhi railway station. Now, out of those who have died, 18 of them, 9 are said to be women and the others are children. Taking stock of the situation, the railway minister has ordered a high-level probe. And according to the statement from the Delhi police, the stampede occurred on platform 14 of the New Delhi railway station and at the escalator at platform 16. In response to the incident, the Union Health Minister has also spoken to the district hospitals, and the family members have also spoken about the shock that they are in after the tragic incident. We have details coming in of the DGRPF visiting the LNJP hospital late in the night and speaking to the injured patients who have been hospitalized. The officials from the Railway Board also recorded the statement from the patients. The Railway Board officially listed the number of individuals who have lost their lives. My colleagues Pradeep Datta, Mohit Bhatt and Tejshri join us on the broadcast with the details. Tejshri, what is the official confirmation on the number of casualties and injuries reported in the stampede?
Well, as of now, the official numbers have not been declared by the government as of now, but what we are picking up from the sources is that the individuals who have lost their lives is 18, and in fact, as you have rightly mentioned, the DGRPF late night visited LNJP hospital and have recorded the statements of the injured and their family members. In fact, they have also categorically asked as to how that incident took place, what happened to them, and in fact, how there was this mishap that took place at New Delhi railway station platform number 14, and in fact who were all the individuals who came to their rescue, how did they ask for the help. So these are all were the questions that were asked by the DGRPF to the individuals who have been hospitalized over here at LNJP hospital. The statements have been recorded, and now all these statements will be compiled and a brief will be made, and in fact this particular brief will be further submitted to the senior officials, and now we'll have to see that what happens in that particular high-level inquiry that has been in fact initiated by the Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, and in fact in that particular that high-level inquiry, these all details will also be mentioned, because certainly the statements of the eyewitnesses, the statements of the individuals who have been injured, that matters a lot, because they will only be one who will be able to in fact inform and in fact tell so as to what transpired, how it happened, the sequence of events, that what they were doing, how it happened, what was the announcement made at that particular point of time at the railway station, how they were brought over here at LNJP, and what kind of treatment they got over here. And we are reporting from LNJP hospital, where the security is heightened. You can see in the visuals also the entire hospital has been barricaded. The gate number 4, where there is a VIP movement, and in fact late night former Chief Minister Atishi visited the hospital. Delhi BJP Chief Virendra Sachdeva visited the hospital. Senior officials are on and on visiting the hospital already. In fact, remember that the government has announced that compensation will be given to the individuals who have lost their lives, and also to the individuals who have been injured, and the relatives of the individuals are also walking into LNJP hospital so as to inquire so as to where their relatives are, where are they, because there are many who have yet to get confirmation and certainty so as to what has happened to their relatives, and perhaps what we are learning as of now is that a high-level inquiry has been already
breaking updates coming in. Ashwini Vaishnav will be chairing a high-level meeting. The railway minister will review the stampede, and top officials have been summoned to give a report of what actually happened, what led to this stampede. And they've been called to the Railway Bhavan with a detailed briefing of the sequence of events being given to the railway minister. And the railway minister, we're told, is going to focus on, of course, the timeline, and an accountability will also be fixed. So a high-level meeting has been called by the railway minister seeking accountability. Mohit Bhatt joining us with the details. Mohit, who is responsible for this stampede? Who is responsible for those who have lost their lives? accountability is going to be fixed at a time when the opposition is also saying that there should be accountability. Railway Minister calling for a high-level meeting. What are the details?
Well, yes, in fact, the accountability has to be fixed, given the fact that our people have lost their life, and it was incumbent upon the railways to make proper arrangements. Now, if railways did not know that so much people would be coming, where are all the operators? Why the extra deployment was not there at the railway station? So everything of that will be briefed to Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. What we are being told is that Ashwini Vaishnav will be taking a high-level meeting with all the officials, and we know for a fact that he will be briefed about this particular incident, what led to this incident, and where exactly were the lapses. Because remember, officially as of now, 18 to 19 people have lost their life. Many are still battling in hospitals of Delhi for their life. We see that how the opposition parties, they are raising questions on this. They are basically saying that this is the failure of the central government. Now, they are also raising questions on the arrangements that have been made for Kumbh. Remember, in Mahakumbh area, we saw that few days ago, a massive stampede happened. People lost their life over there. And since then, opposition has been raising questions that the arrangements are not proper. Now, this kind of incident happening at NDLS railway station, that is the New Delhi railway station, raises serious questions. Now, that is the one of the best station in India when it comes to the apparatus over there, or the arrangements over there, or what exactly the situation was there. That doesn't we don't know as of now, and all that will be briefed to the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav by the officials. What we are also being told is that Ashwini Vaishnav will be visiting New Delhi railway station in some time. He will be going to all those platforms where the incident happened, because remember, now people are saying over there who were traveling by those trains that there was a sudden change of platform. So all of them wanted to get into the train which was going to Prayaraj. The special train was being announced. So where exactly was the apparatus by the railways, the RPF, the police? There has to be something, because railways was expecting that people will come in huge numbers over there. So there were certain lapses. The accountability has to be fixed, and the opposition parties, and rightly so, are raising questions. But opposition parties are raising questions on the arrangement of the Kumbh also, which has led to massive politics. So we have to wait and watch what exactly the BJP will have to say on this. But politics apart, this is a very serious incident, shocking incident, and very sad incident where men, women of all ages, children have lost their life, and the accountability has to be fixed. Back to you.
Absolutely, because innocent lives have been lost for no fault of theirs. They say that there was sudden surge of crowd, there was delay in trains, there were overselling of tickets. But then the question is, why weren't the authorities there at the spot? Why did they not anticipate this kind of a crowd? Requesting all our reporters to stay with us. We're slipping into a very short break here. Our live coverage and the politics around it continues. We'll be right back.